Is the water from your tap truly as clean as you think? Consider this. If you held a glass of it up to a ray of sunlight, what would you see? Could the light reveal hidden impurities or truths about your daily water source? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Clean Hydration. Today in this video, we will be talking about the importance of UV light in our homes for water purification. In today's world, clean water is a vital resource, yet its safety and purity are often taken for granted. Among the various methods to ensure the water we drink is safe, one of the most effective yet least discussed is the use of ultraviolet UV light. This simple script explores how UV light is revolutionizing home water purification. Understanding UV light. In the vast spectrum of light that our sun emits, there lies a band of rays invisible to the naked eye but powerful in its application. Ultraviolet UV light. This section will demystify UV light, exploring its nature, types, and particularly its potent application in water purification. What is UV light? Ultraviolet light is a form of electromagnetic radiation that resides just outside the visible spectrum at its violet end. With wavelengths shorter than visible light, UV light can be more energetic and penetrating. Types of UV rays. UV light can be classified into three primary types based on its wavelength. 1. UVA, 315 to 400 nanometers, known as long-wave light. UVA penetrates deeply into the skin and is largely associated with long-term skin damage. 2. UVB, 280 to 315 nanometers. This medium-wave light is what causes sunburn and is a significant factor in causing skin cancers. 3. UVC, 100 to 280 nanometers. The most energetic and dangerous form of UV light, fortunately. UVC is completely absorbed by the Earth's ozone layer and does not reach us naturally. However, it can be artificially generated for a variety of disinfection processes, including water purification. Properties of UVC rays used in water purification. DNA absorption. UVC light is strongly absorbed by the DNA and RNA of microorganisms, leading to molecular damage that inhibits their ability to multiply. Non-chemical. Unlike traditional methods involving chlorine or other chemicals, UVC purifies water without adding any substances, making it taste and odor neutral. Instantaneous. The action of UVC is immediate, allowing for efficient flow rates in water purification systems without the need for holding or reaction times. This understanding of UV light, particularly UVC, sets the stage for exploring its practical applications in ensuring the safety and purity of water in our homes. By utilizing the germicidal properties of UVC light, modern water purification systems can effectively neutralize harmful pathogens, ensuring that the water flowing from our taps is safe to drink. The science behind UV water purification. Ultraviolet UV water purification is a fascinating application of science, leveraging the natural properties of UV light to provide a safe, chemical-free method of disinfecting water. This section delves into how UV light purifies water, its effectiveness against various pathogens, and how it compares to other water treatment methods. How UV light purifies water. UV water purification involves exposing water to ultraviolet light at a specific wavelength, typically around 254 nanometers. At this wavelength, the UV light is absorbed by the DNA and RNA of microorganisms present in the water. This absorption of UV energy forms thymine or other pyrimidine dimers in the DNA and RNA, which are molecular lesions that disrupt the genetic material. As a result, the microorganisms are rendered inert and unable to reproduce, effectively killing them or disabling their pathogenic capabilities. Key steps in UV water purification. 1. Exposure. Water is exposed to UV light as it flows through a chamber containing a UV lamp. This lamp emits UV light at the germicidal wavelength. 2. Absorption. The UV light penetrates the cells of microorganisms and is absorbed by their DNA and RNA. 3. Inactivation. The absorption of UV light leads to molecular damage in the DNA and RNA, preventing the microorganisms from replicating or functioning. Effectiveness of UV purification. UV purification is highly effective against all types of pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. Some of the microorganisms that UV can combat include bacteria, E. coli, Salmonella, and Legionella, which can cause severe gastrointestinal and respiratory illnesses. Viruses, norovirus, hepatitis A, and other viruses that are resistant to some chemical disinfectants. Protozoa, Cryptosporidium and Giardia, which are notorious for causing gastrointestinal diseases and are highly resistant to chlorine. The effectiveness of UV purification is contingent on the UV dose, which is a product of UV light intensity and exposure time. Adequate dosing is critical to ensure all pathogens are inactivated. Advantages over traditional methods. Compared to traditional chemical disinfection methods like chlorination, UV water purification offers several advantages. No chemicals. UV purification does not introduce any chemicals into the water, avoiding issues related to taste and odor alterations and eliminating the production of harmful chemical byproducts. Instantaneous. Unlike chemical methods that require time for the disinfectant to mix and react with the water, UV purification works almost instantaneously as the water flows through the UV chamber. Safety and simplicity. UV systems are straightforward to install and maintain, and they do not create handling or storage risks associated with chemical disinfectants. UV water purification exemplifies a clean, effective method of ensuring water safety. Its ability to disable harmful pathogens swiftly and without the use of chemicals makes it an ideal solution for home water purification systems, aligning with increasing health, environmental, and safety considerations in public health practices. Components of a home UV water purification system. A home UV water purification system is a compact yet sophisticated tool designed to deliver safe, potable water using the power of UV light. Understanding the key components that make up this system can help homeowners ensure its proper function and maintenance. This section outlines these components and their roles within the system. Main components of a UV water purification system. 1. UV lamp. Function. The UV lamp is the core of the purification system, emitting UV light at the germicidal wavelength of approximately 254 nanometers. Types. Most residential systems use low-pressure mercury lamps, which are efficient at producing UV light in the required germicidal range. 2. Quartz sleeve. Function. The quartz sleeve houses the UV lamp and serves as a protective barrier that also ensures optimal UV light transmission. Properties. Quartz is used because it allows maximum UV light penetration and is resistant to high temperatures, ensuring durability and efficacy. 3. Reaction chamber. Function. This chamber is where the water is exposed to UV light. It is designed to maximize exposure time to the UV rays while ensuring adequate water flow rate. Design. Typically made of stainless steel, the reaction chamber must reflect UV light effectively and withstand the corrosive effects of water. 4. Control unit. Function. The control unit manages the power supply to the UV lamp and may include features such as a timer, a UV intensity monitor, or a system diagnostics display. Advanced features. Some units come equipped with alarms or indicators to signal lamp failure or a decrease in UV intensity, critical for maintaining system effectiveness. 5. Pre-filtration system. Function. While not a direct part of the UV system, pre-filtration is essential in ensuring the water is clear enough for effective UV treatment. Components. Typically include sediment filters and sometimes carbon filters to remove particulates and chemicals that could shield microorganisms from UV exposure. Installation process. Location. The system is usually installed at the point where the main water line enters the home, ensuring that all water used within the house is treated. Setup. Installation involves integrating the UV system into the existing plumbing, setting up the control unit, and ensuring electrical connections are safe and reliable. Maintenance requirements. Cleaning the quartz sleeve. Regular cleaning is necessary to remove any mineral buildup or debris that could block UV light from reaching the water. Replacing the UV lamp. UV lamps do not burn out like regular bulbs but gradually lose their UV output. Typically, a lamp needs replacing every 12 months depending on usage. System checks. Routine checks of the entire system, including the pre-filtration system and all electrical connections, ensure optimal performance. Understanding these components and their maintenance not only helps in achieving the best purification results, but also extends the lifespan of the system. A well-maintained UV water purification system can provide safe, clean drinking water with minimal environmental impact, aligning with modern sustainable living practices. Benefits of using UV light for home water purification. UV light offers a compelling method for purifying water at home, providing a host of benefits over traditional purification methods. This section highlights the environmental, health, and cost advantages of using UV light for home water purification. Environmental benefits. 1. No chemicals required. UV purification operates without the need for chemicals. This means no chlorine or other disinfectants are added to the water, which can leave harmful residues or create disinfection byproducts, DBPs, such as trihalomethanes, THMs, and haloacetic acids, SHAEs, which are linked to health risks like cancer and reproductive issues. 2. Energy efficient. While UV lamps require electricity to operate, they are energy efficient and only need power when water is being used. Modern UV systems can be designed to minimize energy use, further reducing their environmental impact compared to more energy-intensive water treatment methods. 3. Sustainable water treatment. UV light provides a sustainable alternative to chemical treatments, supporting environmental conservation by reducing chemical usage and handling, thereby minimizing potential ecological disturbances. Health benefits. 1. Effective pathogen inactivation. UV light has been proven highly effective at inactivating a broad spectrum of pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. This is crucial for health, as these microorganisms can cause diseases ranging from gastrointestinal infections to more severe health issues like cholera and dysentery. 2. Improves water quality. By avoiding chemical disinfectants, UV purification maintains the natural taste and smell of water, making it more palatable and enjoyable for drinking and cooking. 3. Safe water supply. Consistently using UV purification can lead to a reliably safe water supply, reducing the risks associated with waterborne illnesses and providing peace of mind about the quality of water being consumed. Cost benefits. 1. Low maintenance costs. UV systems require relatively low maintenance. The primary ongoing cost is the replacement of the UV lamp, typically once a year, and occasional cleaning of the quartz sleeve. Compared to systems requiring frequent chemical replenishments, UV systems can be more cost-effective in the long run. 2. Minimal operational costs. After installation, the operational costs for a UV purification system are limited to electricity consumption and periodic maintenance. These costs are generally lower than those associated with chemical dosing and complex filtration systems. 3. Long-term savings. By protecting against waterborne diseases, UV systems can potentially reduce medical costs and prevent productivity losses due to illness. Additionally, the longevity and durability of these systems provide long-term savings and a good return on investment. UV light offers a comprehensive array of benefits for home water purification. It stands out as an environmentally friendly, health-conscious, and cost-effective method that aligns well with modern preferences for sustainable and reliable home utilities. By integrating UV purification systems, households can enhance their water quality while contributing positively to environmental conservation and personal health. UV light represents a powerful tool in the quest for pure, safe drinking water. Its ability to provide effective water purification without chemicals makes it an attractive option for environmentally conscious consumers. As technology advances and becomes more accessible, it is likely that more households will turn to UV light to ensure their water is free of harmful organisms. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you benefited from today's video. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell to get updates as soon as we post a new informative video. Thanks for tuning in.